right, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hopefully you guys are having a great rest of your day, start to your day, whatever time it may be. And we are about to head out to a late night car meet downtown. It's been a very long time since I've actually made a vlog going downtown, especially at night. It's probably been like 3-4 months, no joke. The last time I was doing downtown POV drives at night is when it was warm outside, like 80 degrees, stuff like that. And well, I got on 3 layers. I got a t-shirt, a hoodie, a jacket. It's cold outside, real cold outside. But we about to see exactly what's popping at this meet. Got everything done that I need to get done today a little bit early, so we finna pop out, man. If you enjoyed this type of content, feel free, drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, and turn on those post notifications, man. We're pulling up hella late. It might be shut down by the time I get here. There is a high possibility. But if it is shut down, not a big deal, because I'm gonna drag the car tonight because it is negative DA outside. And you know, if you got a boosted car, negative DA, cold air, you know what I'm saying? You gotta hit that Dragy to see what the car can do in the best, or at least really good conditions. It's like negative 700. It might be 1,000. Might be negative 1,000 DA as the night progresses, but it isn't the crazy nitrous air we have in Houston yet. That's gonna be coming in about a week or so. So hopefully we'll be able to hit that up. We're not gonna be able to hook for shit, especially in second gear. We can't even hook now in positive 1,000 DA, but man, at least the third gear will rip. We can see exactly, you know, have a rough idea on what the car can do. You know what I'm saying? Obviously, second gear in these Shelby GT350s are where it's at for doing rolls, 100%. But when you are doing a Dragy, you know, you're going against the time, and if you spin, your time's chalked. And obviously, it's not really going to spin, or it shouldn't spin in third. Actually, I've not dragged this car negative, like this negative DA yet. So I don't know if it's gonna hook up or not. It should though. This car doesn't make a lot of torque in third gear at 4,500. So it should be able to hook up pretty decent. Now these tires air down pretty low. They're probably like around like 16 PSI at this point, because I had them at 18 PSI like almost a week ago, and I never actually put air in the tires. I probably should, because of the fact that it's getting down to like, you know, low 50s. It's supposed to get to the 30s this week, which is crazy. In Houston. Oh, I forgot what gear I was in. I'm already in 6th gear. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna head out to this little spot. It is late, but there are some cars out, so hopefully it's just a clear shot, straight shot. And if anybody pulls up on the side of the road, not on the side of the road, anybody pulls up and wants to test out the 350, I obviously will pick that vlog up. But as of right now, I'm gonna listen to some music and just vibe out. Just hopefully it's not popped.
A few moments later.
All right, so we are downtown.
Go past this light, then at the next one, turn right.
Ooh. I don't want to cut nobody off. It is downtown. People are tweaking out here. Oh! Did that cop just pull out as soon as... Okay, now I'm about to say. What a coincidence.
At the traffic lights, turn right onto Mealam Street.
Alrighty. It's crazy. I still don't know my way around downtown. That goes to show you how infrequent I come down here.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto Clay Street.
Bet. Man, dude. I used to hit this up like just cruising. I used to get a picture right over there. They added like those, I think those are new, like those kind of barricades on the side. Man, dude. It's been a minute since I've been downtown, y'all. Really. Because I don't really count post Houston downtown. Yeah, it's downtown, you know what I'm saying? But it's just like you come off the highway and then boom, you're right there. You don't actually go downtown, you know? And by the time things get bumping, you know what I'm saying, we long gone. Cause what, you're at post from 8 to like 9:30, 10 o'clock. I haven't gone to post in like 2 months either. I think the next one's like Saturday, I'm pretty sure. I think it's supposed to rain Saturday, so that might be canceled, which is actually crazy though. Like, like, oh man.
Go past this light, then at the next one, turn left.
I wonder if he's going to the same place. What the hell?
At the traffic lights, turn left onto Clay Street, then take the next right into the car park.
I wonder if people are... Oh no, it's dead, bro.
Turn right into the car park.
Yeah, it's dead. Oh well. Yeah, that shit dead. They chased everybody out. Well, it's dead. I'm gonna go do what I was gonna do. Oh, they got the scooters and shit. That's new. I've not seen those downtown before. I always never like to
past this
like.
light,
I always
then
hate.
at the next one, turn left.
I always hate like kind of blasting through this area because like the roads
At
are
the
just
traffic
like
lights, turn left onto Walker Street.
they're always like so like up down up down up down up down. You never really know exactly like what's gonna be going down, so I always take it slow. All right, so I just got done doing some draggy hits in the ProCharged Shelby GT350. I will go ahead and put those clips in this video because I did have the draggy video recording, which is quite nice. The car ran what I wanted it to run, which is a massive W. I'm gonna play those clips right now. But shortly after, I actually started to smell like a slight burning smell. So I immediately pulled over, and as you guys can see down here, we do have some oil. Now, I don't know how well it's gonna pick up on camera. I have my flashlight with me, but the oil pan gasket is leaking 100%. This is exactly what happened a couple months ago. Same symptoms. You see it on the under tray right there. There was a little on the belt which I wiped off. I always keep, you know, paper towels and stuff with me. If you get under the car, you can kind of see it dripping right there coming off the under tray. But I was able to wipe up as much as I could, kind of under here where the filter is. You can see the oil pressure switch up there that had oil on it, which I think is leaking as well. So what I'm gonna do right now is drive this car home very, very carefully. And I gotta get this car into the shop immediately to get the oil filter obviously changed, because we need to do an oil change. So I need to do the oil filter change, oil change in general, oil pan gasket, as well as the oil pressure switch I believe is leaking as well. So I got some maintenance items on my hands. Because the oil pan gasket is leaking, you guys can see here, this is the K member. You can see it down there. The K member has to be dropped to do the oil pan gasket because the car obviously has a ProCharger with the Coyote crank support, which actually had oil on it. So that's gonna have to get cleaned up as well. So I'm gonna definitely do a K member while the car is essentially getting the service for the oil pan gasket. It's just gonna make more sense because obviously it has to be dropped. It's kind of like some overlapping labor right there, you know what I'm saying? Buy a K member, you know, put a new one, you know, in there. So I'm gonna get that done. But yeah, the car ran what it was supposed to run. I'm super happy. I did not do it in second gear because these R2s are not hooking, but you know, for the most part it ran what it was supposed to run, third gear, given the temperature and the weight of the vehicle. Now the only thing that we have for weight reduction, I'll show y'all real quick, is I have not put the rear seats back in here, obviously, because I did the fuel system with the twin booster pumps. I've not put the rear seat back in there, but it doesn't weigh anything. This car literally is still going to be 3,900 pounds with me inside of it, which is kind of wicked when you think about it. But that K member should take off 70 pounds. I'm probably going to do the exhaust dump with a new X pipe. I'm not going to hack up my exhaust, but that'll probably shave off another, what, 50 pounds at least. So we should be 120 pounds lighter. Better tires. So the car should be running well into the low fives. Hopefully, if it can hook. If it can hook. If it don't hook, it's probably gonna run a mid five, which, you know, it is what it is. In third gear, obviously, but if it can hook second gear with the K member, dumps, better tire, maybe more boost, I don't know. Low fives are definitely, you know, capable. But 5-second S550 stick shift car. We did it, y'all. We did it, y'all. So this car is proof you can run a 5-second 60 to 130 with a D1 SC, 8 pounds of boost, and a stick shift Shelby GT350. Hell yes.